9 forecast.
All right, active severe thunderstorm warnings at this time for portions of Louisa, Fluvanna, Buckingham, southern Albemarle, and southeastern Nelson counties. They have different expiration times. The worst of it now is basically near and east of Route 15 in Fluvanna County. That extends up toward the 250-64 interchange there in the Ferncliff area of Louisa County. Heavy downpours, some large hail. Here we are, Ferncliff down toward Kent Store. We'll go a little farther south in the Wildwood area, still seeing on the hail tracker potentially some quarter-size hail, some larger hail that goes from Wildwood out toward the Kent Store area and just south of Ferncliff, just south of I-64. And then here we are in portions of northeastern Buckingham County. You remain under warning until 6:30, and these storms are again capable of producing not only heavy downpours, damaging wind gusts, maybe up to 60 miles an hour, and that headed closer toward the 15 corridor there near Hardware. And then here we go for southern Albemarle, McCullough, and then we get into southeastern Nelson County, areas like Warminster down toward Wingina. These storms have produced some hail, and here's the hail core, the hail tracker, taking us into Buckingham County in and around the Cam area and out toward the Ransons areas along Route 20, and that warning until 6:30. So some very heavy rain, Red Apple Orchard in Nelson County down toward Buffalo Springs, out toward Warminster. We'll widen the view out. These showers, these were storms earlier, they've weakened out to some lighter showers, but then we have some heavier downpours with a thunderstorm non-severe along 151 and points east out to the east of Greenfield. And so there's a wider perspective of the radar. The actual severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 o'clock, but really this is the worst of it that's traversed the area this afternoon from west to east. There's a look at some of the severe hail, quarter-size hail in the Massanutten area. Came down so hard along with the wind, it looked like it had snowed. You can see the rain washing some of that hail around. Again, that was one location, about quarter-size hail. And then we look at some of the quarter-size hail that fell in Afton with the severe thunderstorm. Jim Childress sent us that picture. So made it up to 90 this afternoon before the storm set in. Most locations now are in the 70s. We were rain-cooled briefly into the 60s, at least some upper 60s for some. We'll see temperatures tonight pretty much in the mid to some upper 60s. There'll be some areas of fog. The severe risk really will end quickly, but we'll have some lingering showers. Then tomorrow, we're not outlook for severe weather. It'll still be a humid day, but not as hot. Upper 70s, lower 80s, but there will be a few showers or storm during the afternoon. Humidity drops off a bit on Wednesday. Temperatures will begin to come back up, and that takes us into the end of the week. Big sprawling area of low pressure over the Great Lakes, like little bicycle spokes pinwheeling around it, helping to trigger some of the showers and thunderstorms this afternoon. But look at all these watch boxes. These severe thunderstorm watch boxes extend from New York all the way down to North Carolina this afternoon ahead of those storms. So the storm threat will end from west to east in terms of the severe risk. We'll have some lingering showers early tonight. In the morning, we'll see some sunshine. That takes us into the afternoon. We'll heat up into the upper 70s and lower 80s with a few showers and thunderstorms during that time period. So the severe risk will start to end from west to east. Showers may linger, then some partial clearing, some areas of fog, mid and low 60s. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Temperatures will begin to come back up as we move into the middle and end of the week, but we'll kind of get a brief respite from the humidity as we move into Wednesday, and then some more shower and thunderstorm chances return for the upcoming weekend as we kick off July.
All right, sounds good. More to come probably. Yeah, thank you so much, Eric.